Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 I was not expecting it to start off like this. Whoa. This anime is something else. I swear to God. Like, what is... Oh my gosh, she's got a bear head now? What? And this kitty cat is just along for the ride.
You want to end all 9 lives of this cat? Bring me a human being.
I love that the cat means so much to her, yet all these other animals, she's just like, screw them. And she's just running around buck naked.